Hi everyone, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Jackie, and on my channel I try to come up with quick, easy, and delicious recipes for the whole family to enjoy. So today I'm going to be making oven-baked chicken with a honey garlic barbecue sauce. So stay tuned for the recipe. So I have here 9 drumsticks that I've already soaked in some vinegar water. I like doing that before I prepare chicken. Now I'm going to drizzle on about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. This is about 1 tablespoon of pink Himalayan salt, about 1 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. This is a jerk seasoning powder that I bought at the grocery store that you should be able to find in the international aisle of your grocery store. And I'm going to add about 1 teaspoon of this. This is about half a tablespoon of garlic powder and about 1 teaspoon of paprika. Now I'm just going to mix this up really well. I've lined my baking sheet with some parchment paper. I like using parchment paper instead of foil when I want my chicken to be a little crispy as opposed to like steaming when it's in foil. So now I'm adding a good amount of olive oil and I'm using my brush to spread it evenly onto the parchment paper. Now I'm just going to add my drumsticks and I'm going to leave some space between them so that they don't steam. I want them a little crispy. These are going into the oven on 360 degrees for 30 minutes on one side, and then I'll turn them over. Okay, so after 30 minutes, I'm going to flip these over and then put them back into the oven for another 20 minutes. In the meantime, I'm going to make a quick and easy barbecue sauce. So I'm going to add about 1/4 cup of my barbecue sauce to my bowl, and you can use any barbecue sauce that you like. About 1 tablespoon of honey, and about a half a tablespoon of garlic powder. This mixture is perfect for when you want to add a bit of flavor to your ordinary barbecue sauce without starting from scratch. I've taken the drumsticks out and now I'm just going to brush on some barbecue sauce on one side. Okay, so this is going back in the oven for just 5 more minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to flip them over and add barbecue sauce on this side because, well, we love this barbecue sauce and we want to make sure that both sides are nicely coated. Okay, this is going back in for 5 more minutes. And now my drumsticks are done. These oven-baked barbecue drumsticks are sweet and sticky and smoky and just perfect. Thanks for watching and take care.